talking about before class is if you remove the first term.
Exactly. You can shave it off, right? So what you do is you take this as a whole. No, it's not, right? But if you take this out, what is inferred is that the rest is.
Yeah.
You have to make a lot more inferences in math than you seemingly think you do. So in this case, the answer to this is going to be 3 plus whatever the sum of the rest is. What's the ratio on that? It's x. The first term is x, right? So it's going to be 3 plus x. X over what?
1.
Exactly. And the absolute value of x better be less than 1. Yeah. Boom. We brought it up before, but using x as a ratio is a terrible thing for a math book to do. 1,000 plus 1,000 over e to the 0.04 plus 1,000 over what? E to the 0.04 times 2. And it keeps on going on like that forever. Oh, yes, I absolutely can. Thank you. Like that. So now, can you find a common ratio? Again, factor out of the 1,000. You don't really need that in there, right? So what do you have here? 1 plus 1 over e to the 0.04 plus 1 over e to the 0.04 times 2 plus 1 over e to the 0.04 times 3. Goes on like that. So if you wanted to do this summation right there, what would it be? What's the first term? 1 over, and what's the ratio? 1 over e to the 0.04 or e to the, so the ratio in this case is e to the negative 0.04. So if you do this out, you end up with 25, like 25 point something, right? If you do that out, because the answer to this is going to be 1,000 times that, right? So the answer ends up being 25,503, like that. This company's worth $25,000. Seems counterintuitive, right? It's earning $1,000 forever, right? But here's the thing. In 1,000 years, if you're going to get $1,000, how much is that worth today? Very little amount of money, right? The farther in the future you go, the amount of money now is less because the money grows into it. Over 1,000 years, how much money can you earn just in interest? A lot of money, right? Like, go in reverse. What does that $1,000 become if you move like back in time? Very little amount of money. Running this integral, you're going to do the limit when it asks you. You're going to do the limit as b goes to infinity of the integral from 1 to b of 1 over x squared dx, an improper integral. That's something you can do.